Sound muted.
This is Duelist bringing you Chaos March action. This is the long-anticipated battle on Inferno to try and finish off the defense or the attack of planet Genoa. 2 Vulture Bs for Bob and Burner, Silver and Harasser Prime, Gnome King and a Hollander D, and a Masakari G for Serpentis. Opposing them as the attackers are a Vulture A for Mr. Grey, a Shadowcat Prime for Kill Them All, Zoidberg and a Hephaestus D, Vivisector and a Morgu D, and Dulverich in an Oro A. We will be listening to the defenders' commentary in a moment, and I will be adding to the conversation. I'm in a separate channel right now, so you'll hear them, but I won't be interfering with their battle. So here we go.
Sound resumed.
You do realize that we are go?
Yeah, we're
going.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, sir, are you
right.
on?
He's inside.
Are you in the game right now?
Yes, he is.
No, wait is Lace in the Hollander.
Which Hollander is that?
Yeah, where's Hollander, by the way?
Fucking hell.
So yeah, if you don't
Wow.
call for an hold, yeah.
Look at these Zoidberg out there, as you can hear the teams trying to get coordinated.
So where are you, Cheddar?
I think that's been a few chats, didn't I?
No, yeah, well, what's even going on? Oh, yeah, it's go. Can you build your light gauss Hollander and just follow up to us quickly? So Gnome was supposed to be here, but he isn't, okay.
How far into the match are we?
2 minutes.
Just 1 minute. 2 minutes. I'm just getting Chaser to get in his Hollander and catch up with us.
Yeah, we don't want to face them 4-5.
Yeah, not against the Russians. I don't know where
That would
Gnome
be
is.
so glorious victory.
Yeah. But no, what?
Oh.
Well. So who is playing now? Gnome or Chaser? I don't care. Okay, Gnome sits. Chaser, follow up with us. Let us know when you're in there. Just start walking. Sorry, Gnome, we didn't actually know you weren't there.
Let me know when you're.
Feel free to already start walking, Chaser.
Let me know when you're ready.
So you need to get on your way, anyways.
15 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay, match resumes at 8:85. 28 minutes remain. Hi, Duelist of the Future. Edit in here. The teams are going to start. We're going to say that we lost 2 minutes. So we're going to say that the match starts
catch up. Silvercroft, just
now
speed ahead.
at 8:85.
Make sure you're passive too. Yeah, good. Yeah.
Long
We'll
range
just
team.
try to have them not see us and ambush them as good as we can.
Oh, they're going to see you. ELH bringing Tikonov, bringing a lot of long range stuff and good radar. Only the Hollander D provides any kind of distance fighting for the defending team.
Any contact, Silver?
No, radar is clear.
Zoid's headed for center.
Okay, I have them left side, Delta 3.
Delta 3
Continue.
base.
Yeah, continue on the left side.
They are going into the base, I assume?
Right in front of the base.
Okay, let's turn around. We go across on the side of the map. And we'll go across the cave wall. You can get into it from Echo 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay, actually Bob, lead us for a second because I don't know the bridges so well in this area. Just follow Bob and we'll get into the cave from the side. It's a very good place to engage them.
I have a constant radar contact, Delta 3. It's not actually moving.
Where
Oh,
are
no.
they exactly? Are they in the city?
Delta
Or in
3, key 3. I lost it now.
You see
Still
Zoidberg
pretty good for us.
providing good radar. They'll send him to center.
Very
Maybe it
bad
was an
visibility
anti-asset.
here.
Did it move somehow?
Yeah, now there's one moving towards center. They've spotted me. I'm falling back.
No problem.
Zoidberg is the commander for the other
Now
team.
their scout is moving again back towards the Delta 3 base.
Good. Keep pushing on.
Zoidberg's
Careful,
now going
lava,
to discover their
lava,
main
lava.
forces.
You're walking in the lava.
User left your channel.
That's right.
Oh, okay.
Contact ahead. Festus.
Contact. Shoot it.
Later on.
Zoidberg will be able to get away. Now sees what he's fighting, and this is actually going to probably provide an advantage for the Tikonov attackers.
I lost it. It went passive.
Uh-huh. Okay, then.
Okay, go left. Okay, head into the base regardless.
Whoa!
Flanking?
Fire.
Yeah, he's flanking. That was the hovercraft, don't worry.
Oh,
Don't let it lure you into a trap. Let's go into
Yeah,
the
yeah.
base where we're safe.
But are they safe there? Actually, that base will provide them their best option.
Base is clear so far. Okay, Silver, I want you to just scout and see what we can do. If you can intercept our hovercraft, but be careful most of all. Okay, do you see where I am right now? In case they're coming, this is gonna be our hiding spot because it's well defensible. I'm
Contact is now in Charlie 3 Key 1. Yeah, it's just sitting there checking us out.
Yeah, that's the fastest.
probably
I
gonna
have it also.
provide radar coverage.
Defenders would
I
be
don't
smart to
have
stay in
any
that base.
visual. They're probably gonna want to track us down though.
It's a Hephaestus. Ah. Lander, if you walk up, could you see it from the second floor? Could you hit it?
Hollander should have jump jets. I don't know. Oh, I got contact with a shadow cat. Hollander, come towards me. I see it. Come towards me, looking 25 degrees, and give it a hit.
Teams know where they're at now.
Walk up here. You see straight on that hill, 25 degrees.
We're about 7 minutes in.
alright.
Got a shot that killed them all. Yeah, I see them all over there. Got a good shot at his arms too.
Shoot, head up for that, shouldn't we?
Oh, they have gals.
They're utilizing the range
Yeah,
advantage now.
Yeah, I'm pulling back. They're hitting me. Took a Gauss hit, but I did more damage to them than they did to me.
It'll be hard for the defenders
Let's
at the current
do
moment
so
to flank them
at,
close.
84, rest of fine. Come on, peek your head out. Let's just see if we can lure them closer.
Let's switch the perspective.
You need to kill that hovercraft.
Yeah, we're trying.
Because as long as it's out there, luring them won't work.
Yeah, no, luring them isn't gonna work. Just camping there.
Lloyd can afford to be pretty
Okay.
aggressive. He has lots of long-range cover.
Could we relocate?
Silver, do you see any safe way to approach them at short range and just rush them?
Oh, he will probably pretty soon dead because he has cover from his mates.
No, we can't, because they have the high
Okay.
ground. They'll see if we move out.
Okay, let's see if we can catch that hovercraft regardless.
He's right here. It's 270.
Dangerous move that could determine the
Well,
outcome of the battle.
Try to sneak up on it if you can.
Before that, there's another armor over there. Come back.
Yeah, it's backing up as well.
They have the opportunity to
doing
close. They
pretty
should
well.
do it.
Vultures, follow up with
That
me
Morigu
regardless.
can take a lot of damage.
There's a load of Gauss assets here. Oh, fuck!
Oh, back.
Yeah. They are all over there.
Yeah,
To change
sure.
position quickly. Yeah,
If you
they
move to my position, you might be able to close up on them. There's hill between me and the enemy.
Serpentis took some pretty nasty hits there.
You just roll around this corner and try and brawl with them, no?
I haven't seen the distance exactly, but they're pretty far away. We could try it, though.
290 meters.
Let's change perspectives
we
again.
tanks.
To silver.
Wait a bit, though. Let's see.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Yeah, don't
That
take hits.
silver was not a good idea.
That
Okay,
gave
I
them
did.
yet.
The vultures and the Mansakari
Silver,
are pretty
you could
damaged now.
distract them, though, if we just move in all that along. Probably all we can do, anyways.
We're
Good
moving
idea or
in,
not so
then
good?
It's decided.
Yeah. Well,
Wait, before we everybody get over to this corner and we'll...
oh, fucking hell, they're starting at me.
We need
Careful
to
there.
move now.
Yeah, if,
Yeah,
I would
that's
move back to
gonna
the
be
base and
wrong.
wait this out.
But you go round Silvercraft. Turn your radar on and look for a flank.
They are less than 200 meters in front of me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
turn your radar on and go for a wide flank. They'll see you do that on the radar and that'll confuse them, and then we'll go.
yeah,
We'll just go
he's
into
got GCM though. But yeah, you can try it.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck it, let's just go.
Wait, Bob,
Wait.
wait. Burner, move up to Bob, the Hollander as well. I'm pretty squishy right now, but we'll just move at the same time. The Gauss Vulture is
They're
primary
realizing
target,
what they're
alright?
trying to do, so the Tikonov forces
okay,
are
you two
moving
need
back.
to walk right next to each other, and then
They are running.
okay, okay, go.
Let's go.
If they're running,
Go,
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 go.
go. Push them. Okay, from now on it's push them.
To the right. Bastards.
Yeah, if you take fire and they're close, just rush in. That's all we can do.
Go, go.
Fucking kiting us.
Here we go.
Oh, Morigu.
Yeah, they're really close. Push in. Main target is their Vulture, if you can get it.
I'm gonna focus silver, I think.
Push in, push in. I'm trying to tank a bit. Morigu, you call targets, Bob. I'm too far back right
Shit, the
now.
vulture.
There goes Burner, Mr. Gray, Bob. This is over. We'll see you on TC Alte.
Cool.
Oro
Killed
is
them all.
probably stuck.
Overheated.
And I'm dead. Fucking hell.
That's it.